As you have seen, I could not stop myself. I was so happy by the quality of my bag from les Ateliers Fourès. I wanted to try more items, and here we are. I've got 2 boxes. As you can tell, it is small leather goods because I have tested a bag, so now I can test for small leather goods. And I really like the boxes. They are really cute, and as you can tell, there's the French flag, and there's their symbol, and it's quite cute. Here you have all the references of the item. Well, it's really nice. The shipping was extremely fast. I got my item within 2 days. Crazy, seriously crazy. As you can see, of course, it's Christmas time, and I wanted to show you. I will make a tiny video at the end of this video just to show you. This is a crèche provençale to celebrate the birth of Jesus, and this is my Christmas trees that my kids have realized, and I thought it was maybe a nice idea to show them to you and just change a little bit the setup of my traditional videos. Hope you enjoy. I know the light is not correct, I apologize, but guys, it's Christmas time. Let's have a fancy thing. So here we are. Let's open the first box and discover. So I got the smallest pouch, and I love it. I will write the dimension and the price and so on, so you will know everything. I was looking for a really tiny pouch, like a coin purse. It can be used as a coin purse. As you can see, we have on the upper side, we have a zip, and inside it's the same serge de coton. Okay, and here you've got the authenticity card, and here you have an extra zip on the side. So as you can see, you can put cards or coins like you want, and here you can also put coins and something, and here it is also written fabriqué à la main en France, so handcrafted and made in France. So this is the very first item. It's the same leather. Oh my god, I think I'm going to have it a long time in my hand. It's so soft. I love it, and I am really crazy with this color. So let's open the second box. I forgot to show you the interior of the box. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, I love it. They have the sense of detail. I don't know if you can say that. In French we say le sens du détail, and that clearly means that they put attention to the details. That's really cute. So here we are. It's the same pouch, a little bit bigger, and it exists a bigger one. And so the same principle, you have a zip there and you have an extra zip there, and here also it is written handcrafted in France, and here you have les Ateliers Fourès. I'm sorry for the light, guys, and I do think that I am so used to have a bright light in my studio. This is Wildcat and this is Lionne. Let's call it Lionne. Look at them, and of course the leather is just insane. And just open it up, and here also you have, oh yes, one thing on the bigger one. Let me take things outside. So we have, oh that's great, oh they have put this inside to show you that you can have your permis de conduire, which is your driving license, carte grise, which is the document for your car, and assurance, insurance. And yes, permis de conduire, and here you can have information. So guarantee 2 ans, 2 years warranty, what I have explained you in my previous video, and SAV à vie, which means in French service après-vente. So after-sale services. So, and I have to scan the QR code to activate. I have explained you this in my previous video. So that's great. And let's go back to the pouch. Another card. Okay, so this one, you have still the serge de coton, and you have this flap poke. Oh no, this is, oh yes, it's in this side. It's like a separation. That's great. It's really huge, and you can separate your item. I really like it. I don't like it on bags, but in pouch, I do think it's a nice idea. And the smaller one, no, you don't have it. It's just on the medium. I wish you can touch. It's just a pleasure. This size is smaller than my Longchamp one because you know I've got a real and amazing collection of Longchamp full-neck pouch. Those are great, but they are bigger, and I was really looking for smaller one, and I am really happy to have found them. So of course I will test them, and later I will give you the warranty, but just by the touch of the leather I can tell you I will be happy. I am sure I will be happy, but I will keep you informed, no worry. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I wish you are having a real great Christmas time with your friends, with your family, and I hope this period of the year bring you joy and happiness. I love you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for your support. See you soon, and have fun. Till the next video. Take care. Love you. This is real, in French it is called a mousse. I will write the name in English, I don't know the name of this. And something that, you know, I'm from the south, but I am not, my origin are not in Provence. And as you can see there's the devil, and in Provence they install the devil in the crèche. In my region, in my other south region, we do not put the devil, but since I am here, I respect the tradition, so that's why we have the devil. So, and here is the Christmas tree realized by my kid.